Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on Telegram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. On Telegram, anyone can see your profile picture. It is shown in the conversations. You can get into some conversation, and right here, as you can see, I can check profile pictures of any user. And now let me show you how you can easily change your profile picture on Telegram. So all you have to do once you open up Telegram is right here. You have to tap on settings. Now there you can easily find this edit feature. Just tap on that, and then at the very top you can easily find set new photo or video feature. Just tap on that and it brings you your photo gallery. You can simply by dragging these photos select anyone that you like, or you can hit at open gallery to see your camera roll in that way. And now I can select any photo, let it be that one. After that you can scale this photo to position it in that circle frame in that simple way. And once you finished with that, you can just hit at this check mark icon to set this photo as a profile picture. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Telegram tutorials playlist where you will find a lot of useful tutorials. Just check the link in description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and I see you in the next one.